alternating group or subgroup in Sn is called alternating group if the elements in A and R even permutations, or you can say a subgroup An of Sn is called alternating subgroup if elements of A and R even permutations, right? So we can check the example. If S is suppose has 3 elements 1 to 3, then we know Sn is, that means the group of permutation is the set which contains the permutations 1 to 3, 1 2 3, this is identity, and 1 2 3, 2 3 1, 1 2 3, 3 2 1, comma 1 2 3, 3 1 2, comma 1 2 3, 1 3 2, comma this is 1 2 3 and the image is 2 1 3. I hope no element is repeated. So if I take a subgroup of even permutations in terms of cycle Sn, how we can write? This is obviously identity, this is identity, and this is 1 goes to 2, 2 goes to 3, this is a cycle of length 3, 1 to 3, and this is 1 goes to 3, 3 goes to 1, and 2 is fixed, so this is 1 3, and this is 1 goes to 3, 3 goes to 2, so this is 1 3 2, and this is 1 is fixed, so it is 2 3, and here 3 is fixed, so it is 1 2, 1 2. So this is the cycles, the permutation in terms of cycle. Now in Sn we check the odd and even permutation. So in Sn, this we also write identity like different. That means if I write in terms of cycle, obviously it is 2, this is 1, this is 2, this is 1, this is 1. So what is An? An is identity is, already we proved a theorem, identity is even permutation, and the other element is, this is 1 3 1 2, 1 3 1 2. That means this cycle, if I break in the transposition, it become like this. So it is even because it is product of two cycles. This is odd, this is also even. That means this is 1 2 1 3. So the order of AN is 3, right? And what is order of SN? Order of SN is 6. Actually 6 we write 3 factorial. So AN is 3 factorial divided by 2. That means in what we conclude? We conclude in alternating subgroup or group, we have half number of elements of Sn. In Sn, n factorial, this is, and in An, the half factorial, the half of the Sn, right? So this is the number of element, right? Actually here I have to denote this 3 because we are defining the permutations on 3 element. So this is also a 3, and this is also 3, this is also 3, this is also 3, right? So if it is defined on 4 element, then S4. If it is defined on the n element, then it becomes n.